Hello people, welcome to this amazing WordPress tutorial. In this tutorial I will show you how to create your very own website with drag and drop. So let's dive in. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is sign up for HostGator. So right over here we're going to sign up for the HostGator plan. I'm going to choose the starter plan for WordPress. It will cost you only $5 a month, so that's not cheap. That's not expensive in my opinion. So you must select here, right over here, 1 month. And when you scroll down, you can fill in all your information and use the coupon Jared26 to get discount, a large discount. So you will pay only $0 in the first month or something else. So right over here, and I'm gonna go further and let's start. So once you check it out, we are going to install WordPress. I'll wait until it's loaded, and right over here we're gonna click on the Softalicus software installer, WordPress software installer. So right over here I'm gonna click and I'm gonna hit the install button, the blue button, and select your primary domain right over here and keep this directory empty. Here's your primary domain, and I'm gonna enter a tutorial in the subdirectory. This is a subdirectory, you don't need it in this case. This is only for practicing or courses. So right over here I'm gonna enter my name, my site name, my new blog. I will enter a password and we are nearly set. So I'm gonna scroll down, and you can choose a lot of themes, but we are going to install a better theme. So I will come back. You just made it to the WordPress dashboard. So this is the software that we are going to use. It's a very good software program. So content management system, sorry. I'm gonna visit the site and I will wait until it's loaded. And I will visit the website to take a quick look how it looks right now. I think it's pretty empty. Okay, first I go to Appearance and Themes and install the theme. So I'm gonna go to WordPress.org themes and I'm going to install the Astra theme. And right over here I'm gonna click install. We need this for the Elementor page builder. It's so you can create your layout or create your own design in Elementor. So right over here, I'm gonna activate it by clicking on the blue button. Okay. So okay, right over here, I'm gonna go to Appearance, Plugins, Add New, sorry. And right over here, I'm gonna enter Elementor. I already have installed Elementor. The link is in the description. You can also choose for the pro version to implement thousands of layouts and templates, but I have already installed it. And the second thing you need to do for this is installing the Essentials app. So I first want to show that it got more than 5 million installs, the Elementor page builder. Okay, and we need another app for this. So also this one, the Essentials app, link is in the description. So we're going to import this. We're going to use this plugin to import thousands of layouts and templates. Okay, so we need to install another plugin, and it's called Templately. Links in the description. And right over here, we're going to install this. I'm going to click on install, and I activate it. So this is the plugin for Elementor, where you can implement hundreds of blocks and hundreds of layouts. You can choose also for the premium version to have better designs. So right over here, I'm gonna click on Starter because they are all free. You can also choose for the premium plan if you want. So right over here is the template that I searched for, that I needed for the course, for the tutorial. So right over here, I'm gonna click on this and we're gonna implement it in one click. and I will install the plugins. They are all free, only the Elementor Pro builder, but we are going to use the free version. So right over here, I'm importing my template, and let's take a look how it looks after importing. We will wait and wait and wait. Sorry for that. Alright, it's imported successfully. Congratulations. So right over here, I'm gonna click on View Template. Okay, this is looking nice, much better than what we first got, but it's not right. We need to change one thing, and that is the setting up this Elementor canvas, your page, so it appears on a better method. Wait, right over here, look what I do. I go to Edit, Quick Edit, select Elementor Canvas, and click Update. This makes it compatible with the Elementor page builder. Okay, that's looking beautiful in my opinion. We're gonna change a lot of things because we like to design and create. So okay, now we're going to customize our template. So I want to create an amazing website. I click on Add with Elementor. And I'll wait until it's loaded. Okay, that's looking good, but not what we want. So we're gonna change a lot of things. So right over here, I'm gonna change this. The text is just drag and drop. It's very easy. Maybe it looks hard, but you will learn it step by step. So right over here, I'm gonna write we create and design. So, yep, like this. Okay, and right over here, I'm gonna change this because we got sections right now. They look pretty good, but in my opinion, it could be better. So you can also type just like this, just like drag and drop. And when I go to the site, you have a fully professional website in just a few minutes. So right over here, I'm gonna trash the ugly sections. Okay, this looks much better. So it saves you a lot of money. And right over here, I'm gonna change this to a video. So right over here, I'm gonna insert the YouTube URL, and this is gonna look amazing. Okay, this is looking pretty professional in my opinion. So it's looking really fresh, modern, and cool and clean. So right over here is your website now. You've just created it in minutes. I want to thank you for watching, and I hope you will watch more of my videos. So subscribe. Thanks.